Welcome to the channel, everyone. Model Car Guy Rich here. Hope you're all having a fantastic day. Today I've got a 1930 Ford Coupe from Monogram kit I'm going to build. This kit here is 1/24 scale, and this kit came out in 1998. So that's what, 28 years old. Kit number 7551. As always, I'll go ahead and get her opened up and put everything out on a bench and show you what kind of goodies we have. Be right back. Well, there you go, guys. Excuse me. Everything is on the bench here, and the kit is molded in like a mint green. It's really kind of neat. I don't know that I'm going to do much painting on this one. I really like the color. Here's the rest of the parts in black. There's one small little sprue of clear. Decals are stickers, and then the instructions. So this one shouldn't take but a few minutes to put together. I'll go ahead and start pulling things off the trees. I'll get right back with you. Okay, so everything's out of the paint booth. This here's very basic kit. Went with a green and a little different shade of green for the engine, black, and I'll do a little bit of highlighting on a few things here and there, like the piece of rubber for the running boards, that kind of thing. But it's funny that I actually started this kit before I started this one, which is the 58 Impala, which, if everything went right, you should have seen that video already. Who knows? But I thought it was funny that I started this one as just a quick build, and I got so involved with working on the Impala that I totally forgot about this one for a minute and just let it sit out in the paint booth while it dried and cured for a couple of days now. So okay, on this one I'm going to get everything off the trees and start figuring out what I'm going to touch up and highlight with different colors and that kind of thing. I don't think I'm going to do any engine wiring on this one or not anything like that. Just a quick, easy build to move on. Alrighty, see you in a minute. Thank you for joining me. Quick update, guys. This kit here is going together very nicely. Remember, this is a Monogram kit, originally released in 1974, and it's going together fairly easy. Way better than that Impala kit that I had recently done. Now, I say recently done because the video should be out before this one. Technically, it's still sitting right here causing me all kinds of headaches. So, alrighty. Alrighty, guys, update on the 30 Ford Coupe here. Had to put everything away while I did the final part of the video for the 58 Impala. So I just threw everything back in the box here. So here's progress on the frame and that stuff here so far. Engine. I'll show you the bottom. Don't have the axles in or anything yet. Alrighty, folks, so this was a quick, easy build. This was the Monogram 30 Ford Coupe, the special interest series. So this one went together pretty good. Not a whole lot of parts. The detail is not all that great. It has the little hood thing here that goes on, and I kind of prefer it without it. So this is the whole spiel there. Let me take this box off. I'll spin it around for you. It's pretty cool. This is a Model T? No, Model A. This is a Model A. And actually the Model T came out before the Model A, which always confused me. But this is complete. I enjoyed it. It has the rumble seat that opens and closes. You know, I put the license plate on upside down just for giggles and grins, right? The bottom is kind of basic. Not a whole lot going on down there. But that's that. There it is. Alrighty guys, so thank you for sticking around for this one. I appreciate it. As always, please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Help me grow this channel. I'm having a blast building these, trying to help you guys. I hope you enjoy the content. I will see you on the next one. Model Car Guy Rich out. Keep on modeling.